Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's Fun channel. Today I am going to teach point of sale system part 3 tutorial. In our last tutorial I explained how to make the welcome screen of point of sale system. We already saw our last class. If you click start button, you can see the progress bar is loading. Our project is loading. This means our project is loading. After loading has been completed, you can see our login, user login form. You can see here this will be our login form. Okay, in this class I am going to teach how to make this login form with user validation. Okay, let me start our lesson, today's lesson. Let me stop debugging and let's go to our lessons. Okay, this will be our form. When you open the new form, you can see the simple small one. Now I want to make this form fit in this full screen. Okay, let me see how to do this one. Okay, I want to fit a full screen. I want to make this form. So let's minimize this one. This is our project. Here I'm going to right click our go to the desktop and right click and personalize. Here go to the display and adjust resolution. Here you can see the current resolution. You can see here the resolution. You can see this will be our current resolution of this full screen. Okay, the same resolution you have to give on your project also. So go back to your project. Here the resolution, this will be the width, this will be the height, width will be this. So I'm going to type the width here, click on the form and select the option size. Here same thing we did in the welcome screen also. Here this one, here width you have to put here 1366 will be our width. Here this will be our width. This will be our height. 768 will be our width. So again back to our C# form. Here we have to give the width as 768 will be our width. Okay, this will be our full screen. So press enter key and apply the form. Now you can see the form will be size will be increased. Here you can see. Okay, if you want to test this one, if it is whether increased or not, you just click on the start button and you can check whether it is fit on the screen or not. Okay, if you have any doubt, okay, no problems. Here it fit on the screen, it's no problem. Now let me close it. Here also click stop debugging. Now it successfully fit on the screen, it's no problem, but I no need this border style. Okay, let's go to our project. You can see here this will be our login form. Here there is no border style. Here it's blank, so I need this one for blank. Okay, it's great. If it is no border, the system should be beautiful. Okay, so let's click on the form and here on the property window you can go to the property which name is form border. Form border means this border. Here the default one will be sizable. I explained in my last tutorial also this stuff. This tutorial also I am going to explain again. Click on this button and drop down list. You have to select as none. Okay, there are a lot of various options available. Here you have to select as none. Okay, if you put this fixed dialog here, it will be something different. Okay, no, I'm going to select as none. It will be great for my purpose. Here no border. Perfect. So now I want to make the color like this. I want to change the color so it beautiful if it is change the color. So click on the form and you can see the color, back color. This will be the back color here. The back color will be, this will be the default color. So click on this one and select some different color you need. So I put some blue part, some like this sky blue or something else. If you click this one, you can see the color like this. Okay, let's run and see if the color is suitable or not our project. Okay, you have to check like this. If it is not suitable, you can change the color. Okay, here this will be our color. It's no problem. Okay, let's okay. Now I'm going to design my form. Okay, now I'm going to design my form. So I need 2 label controls and 2 text box control and 2 buttons. Okay, because I have label control for type username and password for entering some values. Okay, let's do it. Go to the toolbox and select the tool which is a label. You just double click and get it your form. It's come on the top like this. Here I need another one for the label. Double click on this, you can get it. After that I need 2 text boxes. Here this will be the text box. Double click 1, double click 2. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to arrange them in order. So okay, this position will be nice. Let's increase the size little bit. Here label I'm going to change the text. Right click properties, here username. After that click on the label 2, here password. Okay, I successfully changed the text. Okay, the username and password. I changed the label name like this. Now I'm going to change the text box name. If you click on the first text box, which is the text box 1, let me change the name as txt user. So we can easily find the text box name when we writing the coding. Otherwise it is very difficult to find the name. Okay, so you have to write txt user. Press enter key and apply that. Click on the password. Here txt pass. Press enter. Let me increase the size of this label little bit bigger. So click on this label here, this one username label, and go to the property here on the right side. Here select the font, click on this one. Here defaultly select as size. Default one will be select as size. This will be the 8 size. You can select as 12. Okay, let me select as 14. Okay, click OK and see. Okay, it will great. Now I'm going to change the password also, the same size. So click on this one and you can change like this. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to increase the size of the text box also. Here here text box, you can see the arrow here. This will be the arrow on the top. You can see the arrow on the text box. You just click on this arrow. Here you can see another option, multi-line. The multi-line means you can this will be the single line. When you drag the text box on the form, you can get the text box on single line text box only. You can get. You can't type the multi-line. Multi-line B, you can't press enter key and type. Okay, you can type only the single line. Here just click and here you can select multi-line and you can drag. Then you can increase the size of the text box like this. The same thing you can do at the password text box also. Click on the text box and click on this arrow here, click on the multi-line and increase the size a little bit like this. So it will be perfect for creating the username and password like this. Okay, it's perfect. If you want to change the color of the text, here you can change. Okay, click on the text box. You can go to the property window. Here the back color, you can change whatever color you want. Okay, let's leave it as a default one, white. Okay, so I successfully created 2 text boxes and 2 label controls like this and change the name and everything. Now I need one label for type heading of the login. Okay, so here I'm going to create one label and drag on your form. Here on the top, right click and properties. Here go to the text property on the right and change the name. So let me change the name as point of sales login. Okay, that's perfect. Point POS system login. Perfect. Press enter key and apply it. Okay, now let's increase the size of the text. So go above and select the font, this one, and here size defaultly select as 8 will be this one, and let me select the size as some bigger size. Let's check 26 how look like. Okay, no, I want bigger, 26 than bigger, so let's select as 36. Okay, this would be okay. Now I need something better. 48 will be perfect, I think. Okay, it will be perfect. Okay, let's. Okay, now I'm going to change the font type also. Here it select as regular, bold, and click OK. Now it will be bold, so again go here and select some other font. Okay, this will be modern number, this font. Oh, Arial, shall we select as Arial? Okay, here Arial bold. Okay, 48. Okay, here if you want to find the font, you can go to this text boxes and if you know the font name, you can type. Otherwise you can here, you just click this arrow and you can check the font. Okay, I know some font name, so that I type the font name and I can find. Okay, it's no problem. If you are not familiar with the font name, doesn't matter. You just click on this arrow key and you can find the name which you want. Okay, that's no problem. Okay, now in this one I'm going to select as Arial and bold and click OK. You can change like this. Okay, perfect for this time. Point POS system login. If you want to change the color, you can change anything you want. Okay, right, that should be perfect for that. Okay, now I need one picture on my left side over here, because this is a user validation, so I need one picture. So if you want to put the picture, go to the toolbox and I need the one tool which name is picture box. Here this tool, you just click on this tool and drag on the form here, and you have to increment. Click on this icon and choose the image, import, and point of sales sources. Here you can the image where you going to save on your local computer, you can find the image. Okay, I saved here, so I want to okay, this will be good. Sales large, open, and click OK. Now it's not fit on the picture box screen, so click on this arrow here, size mode, default come as normal means this one, it won't fit on the screen. If you want to fit on the screen, you just click on select the option stretch image, this one, this will be perfectly fit on the picture box screen here, this one. Okay, this is perfect. Here you can see like this, here you can see like this. After that, I need two buttons, one is for login, one is for cancel. So go to the toolbox and I drag two buttons, double click one, double click again, two. This will be the button 2, this will be the button 1. So just you can select like this. So you can arrange them like this. So now what I'm going to do is here, click on this one, right click and properties. Here I'm going to change the text as login. This one means cancel. Perfect. Here click on the login. Here you can, before the L, you have to put this sign and sign and press enter key on your keyboard. You can see here under the L, you can see the some dash. This look great. Click on the cancel button. Before the C, shift hold on the shift key and press enter key. You can see the here, this one, and sign here. Before the C, press enter key. You can see this. Below the C, you can see here the arrow key. This will be perfect for developers for using this concept. Okay, now perfect, the two button has been created. Now let's run and see the application, how it look like. So click start and be testing whether it's fit on the screen or not. After the progress bar completed, here it perfectly fit on the screen, you can see here. Okay, now I'm going to increase the size of the font. Here when you type it is small, okay, but it's not good for that. Okay, so let's close the application. So let's back to our coding view, sorry, not coding view, design view. Click on this button here. Let me change the what is the font size we gave here on the username. We gave on for size 14, the same size we gave here. Okay, we give here so that it is perfect. Okay, 14. Here also select on the password field. Okay, also just click on the font and select the font size as 14. Click OK, it's perfect. Now another important task is here, back to our login system. Okay, I need another one for the user validation. Here this is login, this will be the good picture for user login, the program will be using. So we have another picture also we have to import. So again we have to go to our system. Okay, let's select all the things, and here you can drag here, okay, some below. Okay, so here this text will be, I'm going to click on this one and drag on the top. Here I need one photo, so again go to the toolbox and find the tool which name is picture box. This will be picture box. You just click on and drag on your form here, this way, like this, fit on the center like this, and here click on this one and choose image, import. Here here you log in, click on this one. Now it will be perfect for your system. Been perfect here if you like this. Again, I need one other important task. I want to do this one is this one. This one the called as a group box. Okay, it's perfect for the login form. So I forgot to put that one before. So what I'm going to do is here select all the one here like this. If you select like this, if you want to select all the text boxes and labels, everything else, you just click the form anywhere and you can like this drag here. If you like this and like this, you can select all the things and edit and cut. Now what I'm going to do is go to the toolbox again. Here I'm going to select group box and I'm going to draw here like this. This will be the group box, and once I draw and edit, select on the group box and edit and paste, it will be paste like this. Okay, it paste on the group box. Here you can arrange a group box a little bit, sorry, like this. Okay, perfect for this one. Like this, perfect. Shall we reduce the size of the group box a little bit? Right at the top. Perfect. Now perfect. If you want, you can increase the size of the picture a little bigger. Okay, arrange at the right. Okay, right. Okay, now I'm going to change the name of the group box. Click on the select the group box and let's change the name as login and hit enter key on your keyboard, and then I'm going to make the size, increase the size little bit. Let's increase as 16. You can get like this. It will be coming like this. You can, if you want, you can change the font here. Okay, like this. Okay, it's perfect. So you can arrange. Okay, right. Okay, design part will be completed. In my next tutorial, I am going to write the coding of the system, how the login will be work. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please get in touch with my upcoming tutorial, point of sale system step by step part 4 tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.